Hi, I'm Gary Phillips, a senior partner of Phillips and Lyon. When thinking of a catastrophic injury, most people think of someone who is permanently paralyzed, has a brain injury, a spinal cord injury, a paraplegic, or a quadriplegic. Catastrophic injuries are actually more than this. The simplest injury could turn into something much more. There are many medical complications, such as an infection after surgery, or a fractured bone which is not forming a union and not healing properly. In many cases, these injuries are also considered catastrophic injuries and dramatically change our clients' and their families' lives. I personally meet with every client who has suffered from a catastrophic injury. It is important that I take the time to sit and talk to these clients about the changes they have endured since the accident. Many times, other members of the family come into the office for this meeting and share how the accident impacted the family. These meetings are very crucial for me to properly prepare the case. The medical portion of the case is only one part. Another major portion of the case is the quality of life claim. The quality of life portion outlines a client's day-to-day activities, which have been significantly changed or have stopped due to the injury. I ask questions such as, what activities, hobbies, or sports did my client have to stop during or after the injury? Will my clients ever be able to hold their daughter again? Will they ever be able to drive again? These are just a few of the questions and a few of the examples. Another major portion of the claim is the financial hardship caused by the injury. We need to look not only in the past but into the future and see how the injury will impact our client's career and ability to make money and provide for himself or herself and their family. For example, a single finger fracture that doesn't heal well and leaves the client with a crippled finger doesn't seem catastrophic, but it would be if he or she was a professional pianist, basketball player, electrician, or an office worker who can no longer type on a keyboard. These injuries could have a catastrophic effect financially and affect the enjoyment of life as well. Once a settlement has been received, the case is not over. Oftentimes, clients with catastrophic injuries have massive medical bills and liens which need to be paid out of the settlement. We work hard to negotiate with medical providers, health insurance companies, and anyone else who may have a lien on your case to make sure you get as much of the money as possible. Please refer to the video about liens for more information on this topic. These cases are usually very complex and require a significant number of hours. At Phillips and Lyon, I handle all catastrophic injury cases, and because of this, my caseload is very limited. We did this intentionally so I can spend the amount of time it takes to research, prepare, and present these legally and medically complex cases. When you hire Phillips and Lyon, you really do hire Phillips and Lyon.